that red light. Oh, I used to work there before. Oh, good old times. Yeah, I used to work for St. Mary's Street before. Oh fuck, that was fucking sketchy. Holy shit, I could have crashed right there. Yeah, see what happens when you fuck up like that? You see, there's a white line that you're not really supposed to cross for safety. I don't know why you're moving up ahead, you know, that's not gonna do anything. Just saying. Just makes you look like an idiot. Like, I never understand that. Like, why do people creep up on the light? It's just not gonna do anything. There's certain times when people creep up so much, like, you might as well run the red light. You just might as well just run it there, honestly. It's ridiculous. He's getting me angry. I can't believe it's still a thing. Eyelashes on cars, really? Ay, ay. Alright, waiting for this guy to go. Keep going, dude. We're good. Alright. Yeah, you're slow. Let's see everyone in front of me. That's okay. Alright. And there you go. You see? This is how it's... Was that so hard? Look in the mirror. Look behind you. See if it's clear. And boom, there you go. Clear, there you go. If it's not clear, you don't go. How easy that is, isn't it? Oh, I don't need my GPS. I was trying to find that freeway. There we go. Oh my god. No, you autistic piece of shit. I want you to end. Sorry, don't behind me. End, you autistic fuck. Yes, end it. Don't worry, I'm autistic too, so I can get with it. End it. Oh my fucking god, this piece of shit. iPhone. There, Jesus Christ. Alright. I can tell that he's like slowing down, going faster, slowing down, going faster, slowing down, going faster. I can tell. Well, aren't you the cool person? Shut the fuck up. Initial D. Add it again, as always. Of course you would. I can't pop my back with this backpack on. And they're really taking their time on the... bored. Come on. I ain't got no all day. Huh, interesting. But I'm gonna shut up. It's so late for this. I feel like doing something weird, but I don't know, it's kind of too late for that. I can't get on travel for this, right? So I'm just off my bike, just walking around. It's like, fuck it, because I got nothing better to do. It's looking all weird. I don't give a fuck, honestly. I'm just bored. There's nothing to do. Just come up there, it's like, hurry the fuck up. Hey, hurry your way, it's up. Oh, hey, we got sick and tired of it. Yeah, go around. There we go. Oh, then. Well, that's something you think. And it's like, oh, my room. That girl's on her phone. Oh, it'd be funny if you crashed into him. Are they? Oh, nah. That'll be funny. Move the bike before the sunlight hits it. Here you go. Okay, there we go. Still? Oh, come on. This traffic, I tell you, got me like, I just want to ride my bike, but I can't because this freaking train is taking their long ass time. I'll probably be home around way over midnight probably because of this. Who was that? What's up? For like 6 minutes now. 6 minutes? Yeah, when I got here. I don't know how long in total. Oh, alright, thanks. Yeah, we might be here for like an hour or so. I wasn't kidding about that. Ooh, haven't exercised for a while. Ow, my camera. Go for it. There's something to do. Oh, it's so gassy. Bro, I've been waiting here for like so long because the train up ahead. I got nothing to do. Well, aren't you cool, dude? Good for you. You know, I'm just walking. There's my bike. You know, it's taking forever. Oh shit, there it goes. Finally! Woo! Finally! Over here an hour, been sweating my ass off. Was it an hour? Nah, it was like 20 minutes. There's a other FY dude. Other yellow banana bike dude. I saw the guy once before actually. Interesting actually. Okay, so I am off my way to I don't know, it's like a small town. It's like 2 hours away from here. It's heading west from Arizona. Well, aren't you fast? So I'm heading my way over there right now to see a friend of mine. And yeah, hopefully it'll be all good. Hopefully I don't get a crash because I've never been there before. So yeah.
Alright, so update. So right now I'm just getting gas. I'm just about 25 more miles until I get home. Only look. So just about 25 more minutes until I'm home. Need some gas, and that's about it. Whew. Oh, puppy. Long day for me. Yeah, after this, I'll be home by like 6 or something like that. Woo! I'm in Phoenix! Yes! Finally! Oh, damn, that took a while to get home. See? Phoenix, right there. Home sweet home. Oh, yes. Feels so much better now. Finally home in my city. Woo! You did a good job today, bro. boy. I'm very proud of you. Shit, you're gonna get that parachute mounted very soon. You know that, right, buddy?
Yeah, that's good, buddy.
Oh my god, but yeah. Well, I'm glad today to see one friend of mine. That was a good time though. It was. And now it's time for me to go home. Oh my god, my legs are sore. I'm already sleeping all fucking day when I get home. Oh yeah, March for your B-Day! Happy birthday. That's a good idea. Okay, you got your birthday, I guess. Whoa, dude. Oh, you know, your signals. What's wrong with your signals, huh? What's wrong with your signals? What's wrong? So I'm finally back home. Woo! I am tired. And it's gonna feel weird once I touch the ground. Oh yeah, so much better. So yeah, I'm finally back home. Woo! Now once I get home, I'm gonna rest. I'm like, nah, I don't want to do anything. I just want to go to sleep. Let my future girlfriend know that I'm safe. My mom's probably gonna be very, very annoying. She's like, oh, mijo, I thought you were safe and this and that. Shit. I'm just like, no, I'm going to sleep. Away. So yeah, that's what's going to happen.